shoot.
What's the matter, girl? You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I just stepped into that sewer grate and nearly face planted on the sidewalk.
I'm glad you decided not to do that. I thought you may have had one too many glasses of wine at dinner or something.
Yeah. Ha ha ha.
Ooh, looks like your boots didn't survive though. Look at your heel.
Dang, these are my favorite boots and I just got them broken in.
Well, we're already on the Avenue of Fashion, and there's Morrison Shoe Repair right across the street. They should be able to fix that in no time and won't charge you an arm and a foot.
Oh, you got jokes all of a sudden.
Well, I wasn't the one who nearly face planted on the sidewalk in front of that restaurant full of people. Hey guys.
Sweetie, you all right?
Girl, if you don't stop, I'm embarrassed enough as it is.
Hey.
Morrison Shoe Repair, located on the Avenue of Fashion at 18933 Livernois in Detroit. Call 313-861-0240. That's 313-861-0240. Morrison Shoe Repair.